guys, and welcome to my new studio. I am so happy I have it set up like this. Today we will be doing a unboxing for the newest lipstick from Hermès. I actually ordered two lipstick. The first one is the Hermès Satin Lipstick, and the other one is the Rose Pomade Lipstick, but unfortunately the pomade lipstick is sold out, so I only received the satin lipstick. So this is the lipstick, and let me go ahead and open this for you guys. This is so fancy, look at that. And so I'm gonna open the second box and I'm gonna show it to you. Here you go. So when you open it, there is another like little pouch right here. You can see, here you go. And let me get the product. And here you go. It's really look fancy and heavy. Actually, it's kind of heavy. So it's like a magnetic opener. Like when you open it, and like when you open it, it's like a magnetic thing attached to the cover, and the magnetic is around this area right here. So when you put it in, it's automatically pick up the top part. There you go. Go ahead and open it for you. Oh my god, I choose this color because it's not too harsh. It's like nude pink. There you go. Okay, now let me go ahead and swatch this for you guys. So here you go. It looks like peach with a orange tone on top of it, but it's really creamy. Oh my god, I'm so excited to use this one. Let me also show you guys the bottom of it. So this is the shade that I have. This is the 16 beige satin. And that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe and hit the notification so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. And as always, stay beautiful. Bye!